Hey, it's Paul from the Kali Center. Today, I figured let's have some fun with some Sikaran, or some Kali kicking. One of my favorite things about the kicks of Kali is that all the kicks are low. They're relatively like either at the stomach or pretty much like below the waist, below the belt for the most part, which means you don't need to be able to kick high. You don't need to be very flexible to really master these kicks. So let's do a couple kicking combinations using some of the unique kicks from Kali, or also known as Sikaran, for the kicking. I apologize in advance if the audio is not the best on this video because my main camera tripod just broke, so I don't have any other way to use my main camera right now. So I'm filming this video on my phone. Thumbs up for the phone. Before we get into the combinations, let's do a quick review of the 4 main kicks we'll be using in today's combinations. First combination is going to be a cut kick, oblique kick, scoop kick, side kick. Let's check it out. Our second kicking combination for today is going to be going scoop kick, knee strike, side kick, cut kick. Our last combination for this little mini series is going to go knee destruction, side kick, oblique kick, and then the same side leg, cut kick to end it off.